All right. So today we got a new sauna that I'm going to test. It is a radiant sauna, and I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but one of the things that I did not know, I'm learning now. I bought more than one sauna. One of the things that I'm learning is that there's a racket going on in this industry. I didn't realize that this Blue Wave company, which was the very first portable sauna, you know those little sauna tents that you sit in and zip yourself up and your head sticks out the top? It's the same company that made the first portable sauna that I had the really high EMFs, and I had no idea that they were the same company that made this. This is a radiant ceramic sauna. So I'm really excited to get this because it's the second, it is the second ceramic sauna that I've had, and I wanted to try more ceramic saunas to see if you get a better sweat, or if you get a better detox, because they're supposed to be hotter than a carbon panel sauna, albeit there's a lot of complaints about hot spots and cold spots and things like that, just because of the very nature of the placement of the heaters in the sauna cabinet. However, I learned long ago that I had to stop listening to certain reviews and marketing and stuff from certain companies, because it wasn't giving me an accurate description or perspective of what it was really like or what it could really do for me. So I'm still excited to try this. Like I say, I had no idea the same importer or the same, I wouldn't even call them the manufacturer. This Blue Wave, I don't really know much about them or who they are or anything like that, but hopefully it'll still be good. I don't think just because it has the same name as a different one that I didn't have a good luck with, that it's necessarily, indicative of the experience that this one will be. So still anxious to give it a shot. And so this is the unboxing of the Radiant 1 to 2 person ceramic sauna. A little heavier than I thought it was going to be. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road here. Box is a little beat up, but I think it's got, a lot of these have protected wooden paneling inside, so I don't think it'll be a big deal. Whoops. Whoops. Take this off one piece. Yeah, she should be good to go. Oh, I like that. It's the first company that I've seen to actually put styrofoam around the glass, so it has a less chance of breaking. That's cool. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Very nice, radiant. So far, so good. I'm a stickler for the build quality, so I think the whoever manufactures the actual cabinets, it's the same manufacturing company in China. They all get the cabinet from the same place. This is pretty much identical to the other ones from some of the other brands or whatever. Definitely is, I don't know if it's cupping or warping. Definitely looks like this is something. I'm not sure. Maybe that was just a bad piece. I don't know. It just looks curved to me. The wall itself looks curved. So, I don't know if it is. So, let's keep going on this bad boy. Bring all this stuff in the house. I don't have to. There's the oh wow, the hinge hardware looks really nice on this one compared to a lot of the others. And it's got a little felt seal in there, I like that. A lot of them don't even seal very good at all. That's cool. I like that felt seal. That's nice. And the hinge hardware looks better than average. The cool. Maybe this won't be badass. Okie dokie. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, ceramic heaters. Oh, that's felt. I thought that was metal in the picture. Whoa. Oh shit. This is all. Oh, okay. I'll take this off. Huh, get it closer. I gotta get a closer look at that. That is way different than it looks like in photos. Huh. It's actually felt, like you could vacuum that. So it's metal with felt on the front. Huh. That doesn't make any sense at all. Why would you put a fabric? That was weird. Okay, let's not, I don't want to be too judgmental. These look really good. The power cord connectors look awesome. Some of the other ones that I've had. Ooh, and I like to see this. There's conduit all the way to the plug, which is great. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you will when I install it. That's really nice to see. And okay, let's keep going. Okay, nothing else in there. I always have to check the boxes more carefully now because on the Sauna, either they didn't put instructions in there or I completely missed them and threw them out. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it's their fault. I literally had zero instructions on how to put that beast together. And may not have had to use the saw. You buy a $3,000 sauna and then you have to use the saw to get everything to fit. Not really something that you want to have to do, you know? But the way it goes sometimes with these guys. This guy. He's not a trash pallet. He's a good thing. We want to keep him. Okie dokie. Roof, little roof vent. Cool, cool. This is what I was talking about earlier. One of the things that I like to see, you guys will be able to see it a lot better here, is the shielding going all the way to the connector. This is something that you don't see a lot of the time. They've done a really good job on this, I've got to tell you. A lot of these, what happens is the wiring outside the conduit to the connector is bare, and if you take the EMF, or if you take the walls apart and stick the EMF meters right up next to it, you can tell that there's a lot of electric field or magnetic field leakage in those areas. Oh no, another one of these guys. Had a bad experience with the stereo mount in the Sauna. If you go, I know a lot of people say that the Sauna hears and it's the best sauna and all this stuff. I don't know, the build quality, I wasn't impressed, and I had to take a saw to the, yeah, we got some damage there. I don't know what that is. Looks like a hammer or something. And we've got some splintering, but that's pretty typical with these saunas. We got some damage here, but yeah, there's some splintering. I don't think it'll be an issue though. A lot of it's might be like on the underside of the bench or whatever. This is kind of weird. This looks beat to hell. Missing a screw, or maybe it doesn't need one. That's sharp. It's really sharp. I like to see this though. You know, you see how the cabling, I gotta tell you, I don't like to see these coils because that usually creates a field, but I like to see that at least everything is encased in a few things. One of the things that I'm interested in is what on God's green earth is this felt material that has shit all over it. Not only that, do we really want felt in front of the heater? It just doesn't make any sense. When I looked at this when I bought it, I thought that this was like a red metal, or that it's not a plexiglass, but it's like a fire retardant. Obviously not a fabric. I thought it was something else. But one of the things that's weird is, I don't know how I get you guys to be able to see this, but if you look, let me see if I can get this close to the camera. If you look in the back, inside there, I'm a little bit colorblind, but it looks like there's red stuff in there. You see that? Like inside there? That's really weird. So I don't know if that means this is like a sprayed on coating, and I don't know if the camera will capture just how felty this is. Like, this is like actual felt. I don't know how good the camera is at showing you that, but I can tell you one thing, it looks a hell of a lot different in person than it did in the listing when I bought it. Which, uh-oh, she's broken. Ruh-roh. We can fix that real quick though. Yeah, she's a little broken. That'd be all right. Let's see. Let me get a couple of tools. Find a hammer. Lay out spacer. It seems like on every single one of these, there's at least, you know, one thing that's broken. And I definitely have to put this was broken too. Definitely have to put this back on somehow. Shit. I need that. Okay. I think I can put we're missing a foot. Which is kind of important. I don't think it's supposed to be nailed through the top, but we're gonna do that anyway. Straighten this nail out a little bit. All right. Should be good to go. Piece looks good. Alrighty. Let's see if there's any other pieces. And hopefully there'll be some instructions. Okie dokie. Get this stuff inside, and it's looking like, I don't know if there's only 3 heaters in this. I thought there was heaters in the front, but it's looking like we'll get this stuff inside and get her set up.